Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the new Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. And here I have the space gray or black version. I forgot which color I got, and it's the 10th gen Intel i5 model with 128 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM. So let's unbox this. Here it is. Here's the laptop itself. I think this is the silver. I don't think this is the black because I really forgot what color I got. So to me it looks like space gray, like the Apple MacBook. Okay, let me just... Right, here it is. Here you have the vents. It's pretty thin. Yep. And here you go. Here's the charging port. Your lovely Microsoft logo if you're a big fan of it. Yeah, shiny. Alright, and here, this is USB-C. I'm not sure if it is Thunderbolt 3 and a headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so let's open this up. And here you have this textured palm rest. And your keyboard, which is nice. And the trackpad. The trackpad is pretty nice, it clicks every single part. Oh, okay, except for the top part. Yeah. But it physically clicks, it's not like a force touch trackpad on the MacBooks. Let me just turn this on. Okay, and I'm gonna set this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've spent some time with the computer. I finished setting it up. I set the language to Chinese is because this laptop is actually for my mom. This laptop is actually really good. Everything is very snappy. The i5 10th gen i5 processor is really snappy. Everything feels really fast. The build quality is good. All aluminium, real solid laptop. So build quality wise, they nailed it. And for the keyboard, if you are really a fan of this textured keyboard, I forgot what is it called. You're gonna love it because, well, it just feels exactly the same as the previous model. It's really comfortable. The palm rest. But one thing I do realize is the keyboard will tend to flex if you're typing. So here, let me just zoom in. So if you're typing on this keyboard, yeah, you will notice that the entire keyboard is flexing. So that might, you know, not feel very confident when you're typing. I mean, it kind of makes sense. It's because of the material they use. This nice textured material is softer. I have my MacBook Air here. Alright, the 2020 MacBook Air Caesar's keyboard. Well, this has no issue. Yep, no flexes at all. All pretty solid because, well, the material is aluminium. If you're getting this material, that's a trade-off. So if you didn't know, this laptop is actually touchscreen capable. So for example, Microsoft Whiteboard, yeah. I did some tests already. You can draw, you can write. Yeah. So there's that. If you want a laptop with touchscreen capability, here you go. So yeah, that's all for my quick unboxing video, and I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.